Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mark, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs. Well, Google Doc is one of the many different productivity tools that has been developed by Google, and actually it's one of my favorite productivity tools because it allows me to work on my documents and then save them on my Google Drive, and I can access them on my mobile devices wherever I am. All right, so let's get into today's topic. All right, so the first thing first is that you need to know where to find Google Docs so that you can get started working on it. So there are different ways of doing that. First one is to go to your Google Drive, as is seen here on my picture. Okay, and if you go to the left plane here and click on New, all right, and here you can find the Google Doc link. So they also have the options here. You can choose to click on Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms, and all the rest down here. So everything is in one place. So before we go further, let me just show you here what's going on here on my Google Drive. You can see I have all my Google Docs documents are stored here. They have been saved here, so I can review them on this picture, which is on Google Drive. All right, so. And then there is another way I'll show you how to do it. Instead of going to Google Drive, you can actually create a link on your desktop so that you can can be more easily accessible, and just 2 clicks and your Google Doc document will open. So let me show you how to do that one. All right, so all you have to do is you have to go to the web store. All right, go to web store, and in the search space here, just type Google Docs. All right, enter. Okay, and I tried it a few minutes ago. It was there. Okay, so let's see what's. Okay. Well, maybe, but anyway, it should be. I don't know what's going on in my system right now. All right, so it will ask you the system, when you click on the app, it will ask you to install it on your Chrome browser. And once it has been installed, okay, you will. Okay, let's go back here. Let me show you where you will find it. Where you will find it. Just let me go a few things up. Right. Oh, okay. So here, you will find all the different apps that you have downloaded from the web store, including the Google Doc app. All right. And beside it, of course, you have the Google Sheets and Google Slides. So whatever you decide to download, you will find it here, and whatever you wish to create a link to send it to your desktop. Okay, it applies for all of these apps. Okay, so what to do? So you go to Google, you go to the doc here, the doc document here, and you right click. All right, you right click, and then you go down here and you click on create shortcuts. All right, you have two options here. You can either choose to create a shortcut on your desktop, or to create a shortcut on your menu. Okay? It depends on you. It depends on what you want. Okay, what makes life easier in terms of accessibility. All right. So after, when you've made your choice, okay, you go to create. Okay, we hit create. All right. And let me show you what is happening here, what is going on here. Okay. So when you click on create, sorry, my computer is so, if you take a look here, you will see that your Google Doc link is already here on your desktop. Okay, so instead of going all into your browser and going into your Google Drive and click on new and then create a new document, all right, you can access here on your desktop. All right, so now you double click on the link here, and takes a little bit of time, and voila, you have the Google Doc interface is open. All right. Okay, so let me show you something. Right, already I have lots of stuff that I have been working on over a few months now. Okay, so I have loads of right here. So let me show you how to create a new document. So first thing first, you go to the top here, the first page here on the top, which is a blank page. Okay, so you have to click on the cross here. Okay, and the Google Doc is open and ready for you to start doing whatever you want to do. Typing, adding photos to your document, okay, and all of that, and all those other things. So I will show you how to do it. All right, so okay, so I mean, it looks it's very basic, okay, but you can accomplish quite a lot with this. Okay, they have all the necessary things that you need for you to work on a document of your choice. So what I usually do, okay, I can go here, okay, and give this document a title. Okay, can give it any title that I want. And then you can just your document and start working on your document, or you can leave it as it is and keep it for later on. It doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. All right, so okay, let's say you're working on a document here about my first bike. Okay, so if you've used Microsoft Word or any other work documents, it's the same, pretty much the same. Okay, it's the same. So here you have the alignment features. You have the numbered and bullet features. So you can add to your document. Okay. The fonts you can choose whatever fonts you want and all of that. All right. So as I said, when you finish on your document, you can go up here, okay, and click in that little box up here, and your document will appear up here. Will appear in this area here. So it will be able, so in the future you'll be able to easily identify which document it is because it has the title already. Okay. All right. So one thing, another thing that I love about Google Doc is that they have this autosave feature, that this little icon here. Okay. That every now and then, a couple of seconds apart, Google Doc will be uploaded, okay, into Google Drive and save your document as you go along. Meaning that if something happens, something unfortunate happens, such as a power failure or I don't know, anything happens, okay, and you have to leave your desktop, you have to leave your laptop, your desktop, whatever you're doing, and go somewhere and forget to save, rest assured that everything is safe and your document has been saved. Okay. And even in this point of time whereby you have been working on your document, okay, you can access it on any device. All right. So let me introduce you to something. Okay, before I go, before I take this, I will show you one feature here that is essential. Two features actually that are very essential here. All right. So if you create a link. Okay, so you can use this this little icon, insert link, and you can click on it. Okay, and in this little dialog box here, the URL link. Okay, that you want to link this phrase or this. So this is the place where you can do that. And if you go here, okay, this icon here, this will allow you to upload a photo, okay, from your desktop or from Google Drive, from your camera. You can upload it into this. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, so you click here on upload, okay, and you double click again, okay, and the photo has been uploaded onto Google Docs. It's very easy, okay, and you can use these things here to just to fix it however you want. Alright. Okay, so I guess that's it for a tutorial on how to create a document and how to use Google Doc. Okay, I hope that it has been helpful, very informative, and if you have any questions, if you've liked this video, please hit the like button and write yup, and I'll be very glad to answer you back and help you any way you want. Right. So thank you once again for your patience with me. I know that this has been a very long video. Right. So thank you for being patient with me. Thank you.